Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solution to all of you again. And today we will discuss an important topic, that is how we can upload a Excel file in the database, and again how we can fetch that Excel file from the database. We will see in practical step by step. Okay, so just I am opening a notepad. So today's agenda is how to upload a Excel or CSV file to database, and how we can fetch that file from the database again. So we'll do practical of all in this video. In this video we'll do a practical of this Excel file uploading and Excel file downloading from the database. Okay, so technology used in this project is like, so technology used, our first one is like ID is STS. Okay, Spring Tool Suite will used as ID, Spring Tool Suite as ID. Then second one is Java 17 will use, Java 17 version. And another thing is like Spring Boot 3.3.0. Okay, and number 4 is we'll use a Postman for testing, Postman for testing the API. And important thing is database is PostgreSQL. Okay, and yes, so ID Spring Tool, Java 17 version, Spring Boot 3.0. And another for Excel file uploading will use important dependency is Apache POI. Okay, so this is an important dependency. We will use Apache POI for Excel file uploading and downloading. Okay, so this is a very important video. We will do the practical of it. Okay, so don't waste our time. Don't waste our time. Just go to the practical directly. Okay, so this is our STS ID. So first we will need to create a project from the Spring Initializer. So just go to the Spring Initializer website. This is Spring Initializer. You do this link. So here we can create the project directly here also, and we can also create the project from here. So this is group ID, suppose com dot tarun, and artifact ID is project name, suppose upload Excel file. So this is our project name, upload Excel file demo. Okay, demo code for uploading the Excel file in Spring Boot. Okay, so here Maven and Spring Boot 3.3.0, packaging is jar, and version is 17. And quickly we will add the dependency. So our first dependency is web, another one is like PostgreSQL driver, PostgreSQL driver, and data JPA, and the Lombok will use for getter and setters and constructors. Okay, and what are the things we need? That Apache, it is not available. Apache PY, that will be the external dependency we need to download from the Maven. Okay, so for the timing now, this much dependency will need. If another dependency need, will add later. Okay, so just generate the project. Spring Data JPA, PostgreSQL, Spring Boot, Lombok. So generate. You can see our project has already downloaded a zip file. Just extract this one here. Okay, now we need to import this project from our ID STS. And just right click on the section, import. If we will follow this step by step, you can also do this project by yourself. Existing Maven project, next root directory, you need to go to that path where your project has downloaded. Yes, so this is the path. Select folder, finish. So it will take some time to import this project. Okay, that depends upon your internet speed, because all the files are downloaded from the all the files will download from the internet. Yes, it is done. So this is our project upload Excel file demo. So you can see all the dependencies added. This is upload Excel file project name, Java Spring Boot version, and this is the Spring version. Yes, and this is the Java version 17 data JPA, PostgreSQL. Okay, Lombok data test. Okay, so we need to add two more dependency. Okay, we'll add later. Just for the time being now, just comment this one and run the project. So just create a controller for testing. We are quickly we are going to create the packages. Okay, so controller, another one is like service, and another one is like entity. Yes, entity or model you can say, and one is for repository. Okay, so these are the packages we have created, and inside the controller we are just we are going to create a controller class. Suppose this is our main controller, home controller. Okay, home controller, and since we are using Postman, we are creating the REST API here. So at the REST controller, add the annotation, just import, and here create a for testing the APIs, create a simple handler. Okay, the handler for testing the application. Public string suppose this is home, return welcome to Excel file uploading project. And when create a mapping here, get mapping. So default is slash. Now just run the project and test the API from the Postman. Just open the Postman. Yes, our application is started on port. Term code started port 8080. You can see here. So just go to the Postman. Just wait for a minute. Postman is starting. Yes. Okay. Localhost 8080 send. Yes, so you got the response. Welcome to Excel file uploading project. Okay, that means our application is working properly. So next thing is we need to add this dependency here. Okay, just uncomment this one and to add two more dependency. That's the already have prepared here. Yes, this is the dependency for Excel file Apache POI. Okay, just paste here. So one is org.apache.py only py dependency, another one is like py.oxml. So these two dependencies we need for handling the CSV file or Excel file in Spring Boot. Okay. Now just and also we need to add this Postgres properties, otherwise it will show the error. So we need to add this Postgres property here. So just go to the application.properties file. Here we need to add these properties. So here this is the username, password, and this is the our for showing the SQL statement in console, SQL query, and this is the our database. This is the home is the database name, and this is the port, and this is the driver class name. This is the dialect. Okay. So this much dependency we need for Hibernate dialect and DDL update. For the first time we need to make it create. So create the table. Okay, now we need to create the entity. So in our entity package we are going to create a class. Suppose this is employee. So if is there any just check first, is there any employee, because I have already done many projects in the name of employee. So you need to verify that if there is any employee table is there, then you need to employee entity is there. Okay. Okay, so this is employee entity. There are three tables: the employee entity, house, laptop. Okay, no issue. We can create another for entity also. So employee so add the annotation entity import and at the rate data. Okay, data is import from the Lombok. So private int id, private int id, you can take long also id. So id private string name and private string suppose email and a private string or mobile number, you can say long mobile number. Okay, these are the 4 field, or you can take also another field also there, not an issue. Okay, so these are our entity, and make it as primary key at the rate id at the rate this is generated value. Is we need to make the auto increment, so generated value strategy equal to generation type dot auto. Input the id from the Java persistence layer. Okay, so our entities are ready now. So if we will run the application, our entity will be and also we can take another field like private string address. So int id, name, email, mobile number, address. Okay, there are these fields are there, so just run the application. So you can see here our yes, create sequence with create table employee. So our table has you can see here our table has created with this all field 5 fields. Okay, now make this as update because table has already created for the first time. Okay, and close this one. No need this application properties file open. Just check in the refresh it. So you can see here employee table has already created. Just open this query tool. Select star from employee. Okay, so our table has a table schema has already created for table structure already created. Now we need to insert the data into it. So this is our main class controller. So now from controller we need to create the handler one by one. So this is handler for upload the Excel file to DB. Okay. So for uploading Excel file, we need to create this handler here. So this is a post mapping. Post mapping. Okay, and the URL is suppose upload Excel file. Okay, this is the URL. Now we need to create the method. So public response entity, we need to take this as string. We can take also string. It will return a response, and we need to create a method upload Excel. Any method we can create, upload Excel file, and just import this response entity. So it will take the file as argument. So request param, suppose this is the, we will pass the file as name. So this name should be passed from the postman or from the front end. Okay, it will accept this name, same name as file, and the multi-part file, this one, multi-part file. So just import request param. Another is a multi-part file from the Spring Framework Web multi-part. Okay. Multi-part file. Okay. So now we need to add the return statement here. So we need to check first, when while uploading the file, we need to check if there are file is present or not. If file is not present, then we should need to throw an if file dot is empty. So if their file is empty, then we can throw a exception like return. Suppose file is not available, then we can throw expression. In that way, response entity return response entity. We can we can send a message here like please select a file. This file is not there, so please select a file. Please attach a file, and your status will be HTTP status. HTTP status bad request. Bad request. Response entity. And otherwise, if a file is there, then we need to upload the file. So in try block, because there are chances of exception, in try block we can write this. We need to upload the file. So for that we need to create a method in employee service. So just create first employee service class. In service package, create a class of employee service. Okay, so annotate with @service annotation here, @service. So we need to inject the so you can create a employee service interface first, then you can also implement the this interface to this particular class. But directly for simplicity I am doing the directly I have created the class here. Okay, so we need to inject the bean of service here. So private employee service. Okay, and make it auto add. Private employee service. So we need to import this employee service from the service package. Okay. Now with the help of this object, we can save our. First we need to convert that file into a object as a for storing the into the database. Then we need to save that file. So employee service dot, we need to get a method for convert Excel file to object, or so we need to convert Excel file. Okay, first we need to convert that Excel file. So you can give any name, convert Excel file. Okay, and we need to pass that file here. So we need to convert that Excel file to a object. Okay, and it will return list of employees. Sorry, it is written the list of employee, list of employee. Then only we can process this employees. So it will convert Excel file to employee object. It will convert the Excel file to employee object, and it will import the employee. Import this list from java.util and okay from entity. So if we will get the employees from the Excel file, we need to get the employees object, and then we can store that employees object directly with the help of JPA method to the database. So first thing is we need to convert that Excel file. So just create this method here in our service. Okay, yes, this method is created. So multi-variable file. Yes, now we need to return the list of employee here. So for converting the employee, we need to create the first. We need to create a list of empty array list of employee employees equal to new employee array list, new array list. So okay, so we need to return these employees, return employees. Okay, now there is a special way how we can convert. We need to read row by row from the Excel file, each row of Excel file, and we need to convert into a individual employee object or employee entity, employee object. Okay, so there is a workbook. Workbook equal to new workbook, new excessive workbook. You can use new excessive workbook, and we can pass that file dot in get input stream. Okay, so in this sorry, so we can create the object of this. So this is from XSF workbook. We'll import from this. What is it? Apache.py. Okay, XSF.user model. And workbook also from it is also from py Apache py workbook. Okay, this one workbook small b actually, otherwise it is not detecting the yes. So this is from warz apache.py ss.user model. Okay, so you need to focus on from importing also. If you will import from wrong package, then it will also show error which is very difficult to resolve. Chart throws declaration, okay, because it may be throws some exception. We need to declare the throws keyword throw exception. Then we need to create a sheet. So because in each workbook in Excel, if you will say in Excel format, in each workbook there is a sheet here. So for that we need to create a sheet. So sheet equal to, so sheet will create from the workbook only. Workbook dot get get sheet at, okay, so 0. So 0 index sheet. So if we will use a open Excel file, then you can see here. So there is a workbooks are there. Okay, this is workbook, book 1, book 2, and each book there is a sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 there. Okay, so we need to first create the book, then we need to create a sheet, then we need to read the each row of that sheet. So import this sheet from also Apache py user.user model, Apache.py sl.user model, ss.user model, ss. Okay, so okay, so our sheet has also created now. Now we need to iterate the each row. So iterator row iterator equal to sheet dot iterator. So we can iterate. So we need to also import that iterator also from java.util. Okay, and row from the ss.user model. Okay, now we are iterating the row. So now while we need to because the number of rows are there, so we need to loop is a while loop. Suppose row iterator while row iterator dot has next, sorry, dot has next. So we'll fetch each row now. So row equal to row iterator dot next, row iterator next. If row dot get row norm equal to 0, first row. That means this is the first row. So if row dot get row number equal to 0 first time, if row dot get row number equal to 0, then you need to continue. Okay. That means we don't read the first row. Then it will come to the second row. So now it create the employee object here. employee equal to new employee. Okay, we will create a blank empty employee object. Now we will create the each employee object from that row. Again we need to iterator. We need to iterate each cell now. Cell equal to cell iterator. Cell iterator equal to row dot cell iterator. Okay, just import cell from the user model. Okay, now again we need to run while loop to continue to iterate the each cell. While cell iterator dot has next cell equal to cell iterator dot next. So it will go cell by cell, jump from one cell to another cell. Then we need to create a switch case. Switch cell dot get column index. Get column index. Okay, so it will fetch the column index one by one, and now we'll write the case. Suppose case 0, if column index is 0, if column index is 0, then employee dot set name, so value, cell dot get string cell value. Okay, so our first column is name. Okay, so then it will fetch the name only. Just open, yes, name. Same way we need to create or more set. First we need to set the name, then we need to set the email, mobile number, all these fields. So just copy this one, switch statement, Control V. Okay, so case 1, case 2, case 3. Then get string cell value, set name. This one is set email. Okay, set email, then set mobile number, set mobile number, employee dot set mobile number. Okay, mobile cell dot get string cell value, get string mobile number get numeric cell value. This one, because mobile number is get numeric cell value. Yes, get numeric cell value, and this one is address. This one also string cell value. Okay. Long to set a mobile number double. Numeric cell value long. Okay, we need to set for now. We can convert this one. Okay. Because it is showing the long, so we can convert it as long. Not an issue. Because it is saying it is giving the double value, so we need to convert it as a long value. Okay. And also at last we can return a default case also we can write here. Yes. And each case we need to give a break statement also. Here suppose break. Here also you can give a break statement. Here also you can give a break statement. Here also you can give a break statement. Then we need to add all these employee to the list of employees. Employee dot add employee, one by one add employee. And we need to return this employee. And before returning, we need to close this workbook. Dot close. Okay, and need to return this employee from this service class to the controller. These employees are returned in this controller here. So now from the controller, after getting this employee list of employee data, we need to process this. So with the help of this repository, with the help of the service class, dot save all, we can, so there is no method, you need to create this method of save all employee, and you need to pass this employees. You need to pass this employees here. So it will process this all employees to the database, and then return new response entity. Okay, you can give a statement here like Excel file loaded successfully. And this is HTTP status equal to status dot okay. static status dot yes, student, okay. Now we need to show the return, this one return, and so just if there is error, then catch. We need to catch the error. Catch exception E. So here we need to return the error. Return new response entity failed to upload the file. Failed to upload the file, and also we can catch that error like loss e dot get message. If any message is error message is there, and this one http status dot internal server error, anything we can give an internal server error. Okay, so we need to create this method in the service class also, because there are no such methods are there in the service class. Yes, in service class also, for saving the employee with the help of repository. Then repository created or not? No. So first we need to create a repository here, repository interface in the repository package. So just create an interface here, employee repository, and add here the JPA repository. Yes, so directly we have added the JPA repository, and the type is employee class name, and the primary key is the integer. The primary key type integer. Okay, just import this employee from the entity package, and this is you can read with repository. For here this is optional, you can write, otherwise also it will by default take. Now with the help of this repository object, we need to inject this bean to the service layer. Private so this is auto, we need to auto edit. @auto add, and just import this employee repository from the repository package. Okay, now with the help of this repository object, employee repository dot, sorry, this is the class, this is the object, employee repository dot save all, and we need to pass, or we can pass all that entities, save all. Yes, save all, and here we need to pass that employees, list of employees. So it will save all the employees record to the database. So now we think our employees saving employees handler is now ready. Then now we can test it. It is working or not. We have done a lot of coding till now. So we need to test it whether it is working properly or not. So just refresh the relaunch the application again. Also we need to create a Excel file also. Okay. So here we need to create Excel file ID and the name, email, mobile number, address. These are the field. No ID. No ID is not needed because ID is auto generated. So we need not to pass that ID. We need just delete the column. Okay, we need not to pass the ID directly. We can name because ID is auto generated. So we need not to pass that ID. So John. John @gmail.com. Mobile number, address is suppose USA. Okay. Another is suppose Michael and Michael124. So this is the demo Gmail. Okay. You can create your own Gmail ID also. .com, the mobile number. It is from France. Horse, Dubai. Sorry, this is the mobile number. Horse @gmail.com. And this is Dubai. Okay, so this is the Excel file. You can give name as employee. Your Excel file is ready. Now we need to upload the Excel file from the Postman. So just go to the Postman and we need to create a post API for that. Okay, so what is the handler? This is the upload Excel file. Upload Excel file, and here the keys and body, form data, keys file, type is also file, select file. In our documents we created the Excel file, employee XLS, open, yes. So send. Yes, you can see the here coming Excel file uploaded successfully. So just go to the database and re-execute this query. Yes. No, this is employee. Oh, I have uploaded another Excel file. Just wait. This Excel file employee, and it is saved in the desktop, I think. In document, this is employee Excel file already there. Yes, so yeah, I have uploaded this one. Employee from the document. Employee details under sorry, and from downloads. Actually, this file uploaded. Yes, this one I selected. That's not an issue. Different file, because you can see here. Here the name is rr1@gmail.com, ss1 ramon samon. So this data rr1 ramon samon. Okay. So no issue. You can upload any Excel file. I have selected another one. Also, if you want, then you can upload another file also from the employee xlx. Delete this one, choose another file from the document, employee, send. File uploaded successfully, and just check in the database. This one, the table, mobile number, address, name. Okay, for that reason the address is null, because in previous Excel file there is no address field was there. We should that file only uploading. Just do one thing. Download, just delete this file here from here. xlx document section, there is a file, Excel file. This file tab, just go to the properties section. Excel, okay. No issue, just paste in the desktop now. And just create another URL post, because it is taking the previous file only. Body, form data, raw form data. This is our file. Text is file type. Select file from desktop. Just go to the desktop and field is not showing. File, select file, new file from local machine. Yes, this one. Oh, sorry, desktop. documents, is there any file? Yes, let's select this one and send. XML uploaded successfully. Just go to the debugger, just refresh this one. Yes, now you can see here exact file is uploaded. So this 4 is from the previous file, and this 5, 6, 7, that is USA, France, Dubai, John, Michael, Harsha. These are from the upload from the new one. Okay. So now our Excel file or CSV file is uploaded successfully. Now we need to create the create API for fetching the file. Okay. Now create a handler here. Handler for fetching the Excel file data. Handler for fetching all the Excel file data. Fetching the all Excel file data. And now we need to create a get mapping for that. Get mapping. Get mapping. Suppose it's fetch all. Fetch all Excel data. Okay. Public response entity. This is type is response entity. Type is
yes.
Response entity, and the type is here list of employee, because it will return a number of file. List of number of record it will return. So list of employee fetch all employee. Okay, it will fetch all the employee. So we need to take the help of employee service. Employee service dot fetch all employee. Fetch all employee. It will return the list of employee. List of employee type, and then suppose all employee. All employee or employees, you can say. We need to create this method in the employee service. Okay. Now here with the help of our repository, this is our employee repository. With the help of employee repository object, there is a find all. Okay, find all, and it will yes, so it will return the all employee list. Okay, find all employee or employee list. Employee list. Just return this employee list to the method. Okay, list of employee, it will return the employee list. Now this employee list will come here and it will display the employee list of employee data. Now we need to return it. So return it is the type response entity na, response entity, and the type response entity, and that we can return the file also, display dot okay, and the all employees, list of employees or all employee can return. All employee, okay. This all employee will get from the service method, and it will return this all employee. Okay. Now just relaunch the application and test this handler or API. So this much data is present in the our database. So just go to the Postman, select get, fetch all Excel data. Okay. Yes, so you can see our list of employee which is present in the Excel file. Same data is fetched. Okay, you can run this query in our browser also. Okay, this is get API. Sorry. You can see all the employee records, Dubai, France, all the employee records are fetched. Okay. So now it is individually record will be fetched, but our motto is how we can generate the Excel sheet again from that data. So whatever data we have got here, suppose the data is already present in the database, so we need to generate the Excel file and we need to download the Excel file again as we have loaded during the post API. Okay, so for that reason we need to create another handler in controller class. So we will create another handler, suppose handler for generate the Excel file and download it. We need to generate the Excel file or create the Excel file, generate or create the Excel file and download it again. Okay. That means Excel report. How we can create the Excel report, we can also say. Excel report generate. Create Excel report. Okay. So here you need to create a get mapping for that. Since we are generating the Excel report, get mapping. Generate Excel report. Okay, and public, it will return nothing. Public void employee Excel report. Okay, generate. Sorry. So it will take the, we need to the response object, HTTP server response object. So HTTP servlet response. HTTP servlet response. Just import this HTTP servlet response from the our HTTP servlet HTTP. Now response dot set content type. Response dot set content type equal to application slash octet stream. Okay, this is the content type as an octet stream, and another is response dot set header. Response dot set header, we need to set the header also. This content disposition, content, sorry, content disposition, another field is like value is attachment file name equal to any file name, Excel report employee PLOY employee Excel report dot XLS. Okay. Then with the help of this employee service, this is employee service object, we need to call it service method. Employee service dot employee Excel report. So employee Excel report generate. Okay. So now we need to create this method in the service class for generating the Excel sheet. Okay. Employee Excel sheet generate. Okay. Now here also we need to take that response controller also. So we need to we need to pass that response object here. That means we need to send the response here. We can already send in response. We have set all these things. So we need to pass that response. Now just create this Excel generate report in the service class. So in service class, we need to create a list of employee object first. A list of employees equal to how we can get the list of employees. First we need to fetch the list of employees from the database, then only we can convert that list of employees to the Excel. So our employee repository, this one, same this method implemented, find all. So this will find all the employee data. Pause function F9. So sorry. So it will return all the employees first. Then out of these employees, we need to create this Excel sheet again. In this step, whatever we have followed, like create the generate the sheet and row, then cell, and then book. In the same way, we will also we have created the first. We need to create the book, then sheet, then cell. Okay, because we are from the data, we are again converting the Excel value here. So HSSF workbook, we need to create a workbook first. Workbook equal to new HSF workbook. Okay, and just import this HSF workbook from the Apache HSF user model. Then we need to, from the workbook, we need to create the sheet. HSF sheet equal to workbook dot create sheet. Create sheet, and sheet name is suppose employee list. Okay, also import the HSF sheet from the Apache POI. Then we need to create the row. HSF row, head row, equal to sheet dot create row 0. Sheet dot create row index is 0. So it automatically create a heading row. Import the HSF row from the apache.py. Then we need to set the heading row of ID, name, email, phone, address, whatever this. So head row dot create cell 0 dot set cell value set cell value is there is first is ID, set value ID. In the same way we need to create the other heading row cell value. Okay, ID 5, ID, this one is name, this one is email, this one is mobile number, this one is address. Okay, id name, email, mobile number, address. Okay, that means our first heading row is created. Now we need to iterate the each row. Data row index equal to first, suppose 1, will iterate from 1 because first row index 0 has already created the heading row, that is id name email, and then we will iterate from the uh, next row, that is row index is 1. Okay, so we need to loop it by for each loop for each employee from employees will retrieve each employee from the employees. Okay, HSSF row data row equal to sheet dot create row data row index. Okay, then data first heading has set it, then data row dot create cell, first is 0 dot set cell value, set cell value employee dot get employee dot get id, first one is id. Okay, so in this way we need to set all the cell value. Okay, so id, this is our get name, this is email, this is mobile number, this is address. Address. That means our all row has set now. Data row dot phone number, the email, phone number all is created. Now data row index plus plus, data row index plus plus. Okay, now we need to close the workbook and we need to write the our data is ready. Now we need to write the data to the Excel sheet. Okay, so servlet output stream equal to response, whatever responses come, response dot get output stream workbook dot write this output stream okay. Servlet ACRV Jakarta servlet is to servlet output stream. The servlet output stream. This is the out. This is the output stream object. Okay, so arg.write out servlet output stream response.get output stream arg.write output stream. Okay, we need to throw declaration. Well, it may throw some error during the output stream write object. Then we need to close workbook dot close. Okay, so I think this is all about the set the cell. Just will test it now. Okay, employee Excel report generate. Okay, just save it, and here also save it. Employee service. Here what is the error? Here also need to throw declaration because it may throw the error also. Okay, just save it. And what is the warning here on showing warning? Yes, I will put string on it. Oh, this is how I got. Sorry. I output stream. Servlet output stream. Okay, I output stream on it. Okay, there is no warning now also. Just save it and relaunch the application. Yes, application is started at 0 just go to the postman and we need to get what are the URL of controller for generating generate Excel report. Okay, control C, get API, all Excel data is working or not. Yes, it is working. Here generate Excel report. Okay, send. Yes, our Excel report generate. I think just download the response, save response to file, response in documents. Okay, just to go to the document section. Document, what is the response saved here? Just something wrong, I think. Just wait. Just to the browser and type it. This Excel report generated, but it is not opening actually. Generate Excel report. Excel is XLX. It is not opening actually. Yes, it has already downloaded the file. Just generate Excel report and the attachment file name is Okay, so this application is running now. Just go to the postman and send it again. Yes, our response comes. Save a response to file. Employee Excel report. Save. Just go to the download section. Yes, it has got the employee Excel report. Okay, but only we got the address USA Finance Dubai. That means there are some error. We not got the all fields here. So just delete this one again. Just check it. Oh, sorry. So this we have set this L value all are 0. So this is 1 and this is 2. This is small mistake, my mistake. 4. And here also we need to set this L value 0 and this one 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise how the cell and cell, this is the cell values, it will set the cell value and this will set the row heading. Okay, now just save it and relearn the application again. Yes, application started successfully. Just go to the postman and generate Excel report. This is the handler. Just send it. Yes, we got the response again. Just save response to file. Employee Excel report. We have given this name in our application. You can give any name. Okay, save. Just go to the download section. Yes, our file is downloaded here. Just now you can see here, and the time is date and time. Just now this file is downloaded. Just double click it. Yes. So our exact data, whatever data is present in the database, all the data we have got. Address, this 4 field address is not there because this is the data from the old file. And in DB where also you can check. Yes. These are all the data same as downloaded in the Excel file. Same data, okay. And you can also just delete this one. Again we can download, just copy this URL and run in browser. Directly the Excel file will download. Okay, just run it. Okay, you can see Excel file is directly employee Excel report directly downloaded. This employee Excel report here, yes, this file is downloaded just now. Just open it. Yes, same that file. We got all the data here. Okay, and now this Excel, the file name we are mentioning here in controller section. You can see this attachment. The file name is employee Excel report. If whatever name we have given here, that file name automatically default name will be set employee Excel report, that file name. Okay, so this is the handler for the generating Excel report. This is the handler for the save all the find all the data from the database, and this is the handler for the saving the Excel file or upload the Excel file to the database. This is the testing handler. Okay, this is the entity and this is the our service class. Okay, so I think this is the most simplest way to upload the Excel file to database and again download the Excel file from the database and generate the Excel report or create the Excel sheet. Okay, so this much in this video tutorial, and actually I have given a lot of time, spent a lot of time to prepare this video for you. So one request is, if you have think that you got some knowledge or you have got some idea from this video, please like and share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Okay, by which I can motivate and I can make more and more video like in this topic for you. Okay, so thank you guys, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to give you the answer or try to resolve your issue. Okay, so thank you guys.